What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be testing the stock LSD in this car and seeing how good it actually is for drifting. I hear it's not the best and it doesn't lock up sometimes it does lock up, but we will find that out in today's video. Alright, so we are at the end of this parking lot. Let's see how good it slides. Just maybe doing like a little donut. We're actually doing a little bit of manjis. Oh, we definitely need to go in second. This thing slides really damn good. And I almost want to say it slides better than the Genesis. We could try a little donut real fast. See how that holds. Not gonna lie, that's pretty damn good. The LSD in this is actually very good in my opinion. There has been times where I've slid it off camera where it really has not hooked up, or like the LSD is not engaged. Alright, let's try another roundabout. That's too bad. I think in certain situations where like you transition, I think that's where it's gonna have an issue. So next stop, let's go to a warehouse and let's do some like really wide manjis. All right, let's see if I can manji in this. I hate this steering wheel. This thing keeps locking up. Actually, let's go this way. Let's see if I can link this little roundabout right here. Should I be in second or first? I'll do it in second. That was pretty good, not gonna lie. I always just gotta stay in it. But I need to get a stage 2 clutch in this, bro. This thing, I could just feel like the power loss. I know you guys are probably bored of watching me on this view, so switch over to the GoPro View right now. Dude, that thing is so damn loud. That's wild, bro. That is so damn loud. Ah, I have my AC on, damn it. Alright, so I don't know why, but for some reason the car is not turning on again. I fixed it originally when I got the car, but it's not that now, and now it's not even cranking. So I'm wondering if the battery connection is bad. I don't know. Very weird. But it does you can push start it and just drop since it's manual, just dump the clutch and then just turn it on. So that's kind of weird. I don't know. This 350Z, bro, it has so many unique things about it. But I'm gonna try messing around with the battery and see if I can get it started. Hopefully the battery it's a loose connection or something. This is the first entry of the place that we are at now. Right here is gonna just be so sick, but we are checking to see if there are any cops here already, because we're not trying to just do skids and then just have a cop be right here. So we're doing a little lap to make sure that it's all clear. Let's take a look. Stock angle, baby. I'm gonna see if I'm sparking. Yeah, is my tire sparking? It's not sparking yet? No, it's not sparking yet. Bro, these have some good stock angle. Second, god damn it. Bro, we got pretty close.
Yeah. Yo, when he was doing that one and you were parked right here, I was like, damn, homie's really close. I was like, dang. Was that on this side? Definitely rubber, like right. Definitely like a patch of rubber.
Oh, you actually touched?
No, I didn't touch. But all the rubber coming off.
Sure did look like it.
I should have. Got the Jenny wheels on it.
But I don't know how these aren't sparking yet.
Are they ported?
No, not even.
Mine are done. They're brand new yesterday. Send it. Let's see it back.
This motherfucker.
Your handbrake work?
No.
No?
Not at all.
I was gonna say you should get like a decent run up and then clutch kick and try and like hit it, Monty, and then come back the same way. Yeah, bro, I saw you were coming over here. These are like literally, no, this one right here. Jackson's car was right here. And the your tires are marked right there. I'm like, bro, you're getting awfully close. Like, I'm not even driving, I'm getting scared.
Alright, so the entry that I told you guys about in the entrance of this place, I am going to try and get a little entrance going right here. Let's see. Ugh. Alright, y'all boys, I think we came to the conclusion that it does slide. Not the best, but it indeed does slide. I definitely want to get a welded diff though, so I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video.